Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fix bad Bluetooth headphone audio in Valorant, especially after patch 1.11. If your sound quality is terrible or your audio isn't working properly, follow these steps and you'll have it fixed in just a few minutes. First, right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar and go to Sound Settings. Then, click on Device Properties, and after that, go to Additional Device Properties. Next, open the General tab and click Properties. From there, go to Change Settings. Then, open the Driver tab and disable this device. By disabling the headphone microphone, Windows stops switching your Bluetooth headphones into low-quality mode. This allows your headphones to use high-quality audio, which is exactly what fixes the sound issues in Valorant. Just remember, if you need your headset microphone, don't use this method. But if you already have a separate mic and want much better sound quality, this fix works perfectly. That's it! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.